where you're in the weave. We're going to try and take the right poi when you're going from the over position on the left side to the under position. I want you to also go under the leg. So over, under the leg, over, under the leg, over, under the leg. And then we'll try the other side. So when the left is going from the over to the under, you go under the right leg, under the right leg, under the right leg, under the right leg. And then we'll try and do 4 weaves, 3 weaves, 2 weaves, and then this next weave go under your left, and then your right, and then back to weave, and another weave, and another weave. And now we'll go under the left one on the left side and the right one on the right side, back to weave, and weave, and weave, and weave. And now get ready to go under the left poi, and then left leg, then the right leg, back to weave, and weave, and weave, and weave. And here we go, back under the left leg, under the right leg, and back into overhand weave. Turn right 360, turn left 360, turn right 360, turn left 360, and sorry, I only went 180, 360, and then turn another 180, come out and underhand on the left side, open it up into circles, stall right, stall left, 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 last set, right, left, right, left. And you'll be back in underhand if you did what I did. Both poi will be underhand. Now we're going to do the same thing. So 4 sets of 4 stalls. Only this time we're going to start with the left hand. It's in split time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left back, right back, left front, left back, right back, left front, left back, right back, left front, left back, right back. And now you should be in underhand again. So then turn to your right and get into underhand, but I'm going to mirror you so that you can try this with me. Both poi are in underhand like this, underhand split time. And then let's separate the arms so that the poi can't tangle. And now we'll do those same stalls. So right in, right out, left out. 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 So if you were to just do the right hand, it's this. Outstall, install. 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 Let's switch hands and do the other hand. So starting with your left hand, overhand, outstall, install, 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 outstall, install. And now if you started with both of them in an overhand opposite butterfly, split time without the poi overlapping, so you're not really technically in a butterfly, you're separating it out as if it was an opposite direction lockout. And then if we lead with your right hand, it would look like this if I'm mirroring you, where you go right out, right in, right out, right in, right in, right out, right in, right out, right in, left in. Let's try it with the other hand because it might be easier for you to do with a left hand lead. So again, if you start from overhand opposite with the poi in split time, we're going to lead with the left hand, 5, 6, 7, and left out, left in, right in, left out, left in, right in, left out, left in, left out, left in, right in, and then back to butterfly. So now I'm facing the correct way, I'm not mirroring you anymore. So we were in underhand butterfly here. Let's do a drop stall here. And then let's do that combo from a long time ago we did. Your right poi is stalled here. And then Yeah, let's try it like this. Yeah, okay, so we're in underhand here. Flip it to here, so it's overhand. And then what you're doing is a 2-petal flower versus the drop stall. So front position, back position, front position, back position, front position, back position, with the 2-petal hand. And the other hand is just doing a drop stall. No, 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 you're doing a 2-petal flower, so you're doing this. What I'm doing is this, stall, stall. I mean, you can switch between them, so this is 2-petal, and then this is stall, stall, 2-petal, and stall, stall, 2-petal, and stall, stall. So just do this with the right hand. Stall here, 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 and back. And then if you leave it in the back position and you start with your left hand in the front position, the left will come across the bottom to the back position while the right one drop stalls in the front. Then the left will go up and over while the right one comes up and over, and the right one will drop stall in the back while the left one goes back to where it started in a pedal in the front. So the left comes across the bottom and drop stall the right one in the front. Left comes across the top and drop stall the right one in the back. Oof. This one is the Pilates because it's weird. Initially, they both go in the same direction, but then they both come up and over. So it's like you swim halfway, and then they both come up and over. Swim halfway, both come up and over. Swim halfway, both come up and over. Yeah, swim, both up and over. Swim, both up and over. Swim, both up and over. Swim. You almost had it. What you did on that last one was, instead of letting it come up and over in an arc, you dragged it to the back, like a pendulum. So you want to start the circle and then drop stall. So the way I had you executing it, where the arms were separated like this, that's cool, but I actually think it looks a little bit cooler when your hands are closer together like this, because it looks sort of impossible. Like, whoa, how are you not hitting yourself or each of the other poi? It's more like weaving in and out of itself, if that makes sense. So I think that has a cool aesthetic. But once you get the timing, it's easy to put the hands together. Well, I'm not going to say easy, but easier to put the hands together when you have the timing than when you don't.